Uh-oh. Oh no, I just took the tarps down and I think it's going to rain. Uh-oh. Do you want to help me put the orange one back on? Pearl? You're going to get wet if you don't help me. Do I just pack up now or what? Shall we pack up? Stuff is getting wet. Can you get out of there so we can take these down and pack up in the filter? Oh, that came out all night with no rain. I'm so glad it's light. It's been raining for like 10 seconds and we got lots of water.
Yeah?
Get everything out of my bed, this is full of water.
Okay. Mosquitoes.
Can you drag the poncho out from under the rain brick? A bit of a decent shelter here. This is why it's important to pack up all the time. I'm just going to make this dry. Rubbish. Now.
Meow.
I said now,
Oh.
not now. Are you in the shelter?
Yeah.
Drop attention, Tanya. It's 11:24 at night and I'm editing, and I've just I'm watching the rain pour down, and I'm watching this holy tarp and all the chaos that we've created for ourselves, and I was just thinking, I wonder if people think that we're doing this because we don't have a tent. And I want to clarify, we have several tents. And I allowed Pearl to pack for herself, and we chose to do this hammock kind of survival version of camping. And so just wanted you to know that it's all a conscious choice. We choose to put ourselves in situations that challenge us or excite us, and we appreciate and learn from all these crazy experiences that we do, because we don't have the best of everything all the time, or we're choosing to do it in a way that not everybody would. And that's my kind of fun, so no comments required about that. But I would love, love, love to hear some feedback from somebody's watching hours of my stuff and no one's commenting. So I just love some comments to say you're nuts, or you're doing okay and keep doing what you're doing, or whatever the comment is. I don't know what anybody thinks, but somebody's watching this stuff, hours and hours of this stuff, and it would just be great to get a little bit of I don't know, feedback somehow. I'm happy to answer questions. I'd love to engage in conversation and just be a part of a community that is watching my stuff. That'd be cool. So here's to the rest of the vid. Thank you and good night. I'm making a cold steeped nighttime tea, which I didn't make last night. This was completely empty, and look at that. And that was completely empty. I'm really sorry about the visibility. I've got you in a giant snaplock bag. It makes for smooth cameraing though. Pearl's taking out the strings that are up there. Haha, Piggy Tracker just asked if I was having a good day so far. That's hilarious. So we're strategizing about taking the blue one down now that we're sort of packed up under there. We're going to have to carry a drink bottle and a tarp each. Is that right, Pearl? Oh no, you got your bed. I'll carry 2 tarps and you carry your bed. I could roll your bed around my bed and click it onto my bag, and then we have a drink bottle and a tarp each.
No.
You happy with your bed roll?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm going to be in the frame or not.
Yeah.
Yep, I am.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot you could see the other side. I'm fully drenched, but just for the sake of the last few dry things in the bag, we're going to poncho up over our backpacks. Shall we do that before we take the orange one down? Put our ponchos on?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Can't believe how much water we've collected. It's great. Okay, we're all packed up. We've both got our backpacks and our ponchos on. Yep, that's Pearl's chin. And the phone is flapping around in a big snap-lock bag. We've got the last tarp. So we've just got to take this last... We've just got this last...
You look like a hunchback.
Ah, my aching back! We've just got this last one to pack away. We're gonna... Pearl's carrying... what are you carrying?
My mat.
A mat and a tarp, and I'm carrying a drink bottle and a tarp. And we're gonna go back to my friend's house. Pearl, every time you move that, it makes a crinkly noise.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go back to our friend's house and have a cup of cocoa. Maybe, I don't know. We've got spare clothes, so we might even have a shower too. And be thankful that there wasn't really a cyclone. Be thankful for rain, and hope that the rest of the country has had some rain while we're in monsoon and they're under attack by fire. I'm so glad we got to have this night out together, Pearl. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Just doing the final checks. And leaving no trace except for a few trampled things. On that funny pot plant stand that we already found in the bush, we'll leave here. But this was our home last night. I am so wet. And SOL, I might need the instructions about how to refold this properly. I tried so hard. Okay, we made it. We were out there and I'm about to have a shower. How good is this? We're up high, overlooking nature. I want a bathroom like this one day. All fresh. Success.